Hey, I'm Jen. I'm a sassy, classy Southern girl born and raised in the great state of South Carolina. I'm a member of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, and I love it. My story may be similar to yours. Without going through all of the details, I will share that after 11 years of a difficult marriage, I found myself a divorced single mom at 30 years old. It was the most difficult time of my life, but ultimately became a pivotal point for me. I had devoted my life to the Lord and my family, and I decided I wasn't going to give up then. I strengthened my spiritual roots, deepened my faith in God, and began to deliberately design the life I wanted for my future. I did get remarried to a wonderful, faithful, loving man. And with my 3 kids from my first marriage and his daughter from his previous marriage, we joined our families together and had a baby. And that was 19 years ago. We definitely faced all of the typical struggles of second marriage, blended families, all the things. But it has been a wonderful, beautiful experience. Our family loves hiking, biking, traveling, and pickleball. It has not been easy, but it is possible. My background is in psychology, communications, and family science. And I learned a lot going through my own divorce journey, and I wanted to help others in theirs. So I followed my passion and went through life coach certification to learn how to help others find hope, healing, and happiness through divorce much quicker and easier than I did. So today I am a life coach, a divorce mentor, speaker, and podcaster. I'm a certified, experienced professional who mentors faith-filled men and women to find joy through experiencing breakthroughs in challenging times. It is my personal ministry to help others partner with the Lord to deepen their faith while overcoming the obstacles of divorce and grow better in their divorce journey. My purpose is to help others find joy, and I love it.